Samsung is gearing up to launch its next-generation foldable phones later this year, and we're already getting juicy leaks about the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7. As expected, Samsung seems to be refining its existing designs rather than making drastic changes. But if you're a fan of the Z Fold series and the S Pen, there's something you might not be thrilled about. The S Pen for the Fold 7 is reportedly getting thicker, but it might lose some features in the process. Samsung has been pushing S Pen support on its premium devices for years, making it a key selling point for the Z Fold series. However, new reports suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 7's S Pen will have downgraded support compared to previous models. What does that mean? We don't have all the details yet, but it could be similar to what happened with the Galaxy S25 Ultra's S Pen. Samsung removed the Bluetooth chip, which meant losing features like air actions and the remote camera shutter. For those who love using their S Pen for quick gestures, remote control, and extra functionality, this could be a major letdown. While Samsung hasn't confirmed these changes yet, the rumors are strong enough that fans are already voicing concerns. Interestingly, Samsung is reportedly working on an entirely new S Pen for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. According to well-known tipster PandaFlashX, the company is developing a stylus with an improved tip, promising a better writing experience. However, the leak doesn't go into details about what exactly has been improved, whether it's a smoother glide, better pressure sensitivity, or a new material. But the real kicker: this new S Pen will be thicker than previous versions. That's an unexpected move, considering Samsung has been gradually making the S Pen lighter and more compact over the years. It's especially strange since they're reportedly removing some key features at the same time. So, why make it thicker? There could be a few reasons behind the thicker design of the new S Pen. First, a better ergonomics. A thicker stylus might feel more comfortable to hold and write with, reducing hand fatigue during long use. Next, a more durable tip. If Samsung is truly enhancing the writing experience, they might need a stronger tip, which could require a larger build. And finally, no need for a built-in slot. Unlike the S23 Ultra or S25 Ultra, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 doesn't have a dedicated S Pen slot. This means Samsung doesn't have to squeeze the stylus into the phone's internal structure, giving them more freedom to adjust its size. That said, making it thicker while removing features seems like a strange decision. If it's losing Bluetooth, the least Samsung could do is give us extra perks, like improved sensitivity, longer battery life, if applicable, or additional software features. If we look on the bright side, the Z Fold 7 is still compatible with the S Pen, which wasn't always a guarantee. Early leaks suggested that the device could be based on the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, a rumored budget-friendly foldable that doesn't support the S Pen at all. This led to speculation that Samsung might remove stylus support from the Z Fold series entirely. Thankfully, that doesn't seem to be the case. Even if the S Pen is losing some functionality, it's still an essential tool for many Fold users who love taking notes, sketching, and multitasking. Samsung's decision to tweak the S Pen experience for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is bound to spark debate. Some users might appreciate a thicker, more comfortable stylus, while others will be frustrated by the loss of features like air actions and remote camera control. The big question is, will the trade-offs be worth it? Or is Samsung simply cutting costs at the expense of power users? What do you think about these changes? Is a thicker but less feature-packed S Pen a good move, or is Samsung taking a step backward? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's discuss. Until next time, take care.